Hello student, I welcome all of you in this rare online school education project run by Rare Shikshan Samsthas, Satar. Myself, Mokashi VM from Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya and Junior College, Password. Section 4, Novel 4.4, The Sign of Four is written by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. The Sign of Four is the second novel which Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson solve the mystery of the hidden treasure and murder. In this novel, there are some main points about the novel, about the writer, major characters, outline of the novel, themes of the novel, plot of the novels, and synopsis of the extract. We are going to explain the first point about the novel. The Sign of Four is the second novel featuring Sherlock Holmes written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The novel was published in February 1890. It is a mystery novel having a fictional detective story. The Sign of Four has a complex plot involving service in India, the Indian Rebellion of 1857, a stolen treasure, and secret pact among four and two corrupt prison guards. The given chapter 2nd and chapter 3rd of the novel are about Mary Morstan's seeking help of Sherlock Holmes in the missing mystery of her father 10 years before. Next is about the writer. The writer of this novel, Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle, was British writer who created the character Sherlock Holmes. Originally a physician, in 1887 he published A Study in Scarlet, the first of four novels and more than 50 short stories about Holmes and Dr. Watson. The Sherlock Holmes stories are generally considered milestone in the field of crime fiction. Doyle was a prolific writer other than Sherlock Holmes stories. His works include fantasy and science fiction stories, as well as plays, romance, poetry, non-fiction, and historical novels. In this novel, there are major characters and there are some minor characters. Major character is that Sherlock Holmes, John Watson, Mary Morstan, Major Sholto, Thaddeus Sholto, Tonga, and Toby. First character is Sherlock Holmes. He is a brilliant detective with an exceptionally keen eye for detail. Second character is Dr. Watson, is Holmes' partner and roommate. Third character is that Mary Morstan. Mary Morstan brings the case to Holmes and Watson's attention. She has been searching ineffectively for her father and has received several mysterious pearls. Major Sholto. Major Sholto was an officer and friend of Arthur Morstan. Next character is that Thaddeus Sholto. Major Sholto's son, Thaddeus is the one who sends the pearl to Mary Morstan. Next character is that Tonga. Tonga is an Icelander who is absolutely devoted to small. And last is Toby, name of a dog. There is minor character Bartholomew Sholto, Jonathan Small, Mr. Smith, Captain Mostyn, Abdullah Khan, Dost Akbar, Muhammad Singh. This is the minor character of this novel. Next point is that outline of the novel. Student, we are going to learn novel The Sign of Four. Mary Mostyn came to visit Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes, the protagonist in this extract. She told her whole story to Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Mr. Holmes listened every detail from her. During meeting, Mary tells that after her father disappeared mysterious circumstances some 10 years ago, she began receiving a large purse in the mail on the same day of every year. The lady's father was lost in London. Sherlock Holmes went with her to meet unknown visitor at the Lyceum Theatre. The letter gives hint that injustice has been done to her. Holmes and Watson agree to accompany Mary. Travel to cottage. Thénardier Sholto was the unknown writer of this letter. Thénardier Sholto reveals the death of Mary's father and hidden treasure. Jonathan Small, a person with wooden leg. Bartholomew investigates the treasure. The next morning, a note was found affixed to the body sign of four. Bartholomew finds treasure, promises to share with Mary, proposes to go to family estate. Location of family estate. When they reach at Pondicherry Lodge, they heard bad news about death of Bartholomew, death due to poison thorns in a neck. After investigation by Sherlock Holmes, he narrates that crime committed by two persons with wooden leg with someone company. It is also becomes appear that the murderers have stolen Agra treasure. The dog and urchin hired for search. Thames River, a boat found. Police overtake Aurora. Says of Captain Small with wooden leg with pygmy native from Andamans. Attempt of death of Holmes and Watson. Small capture with a box. Captain Small proceed to relay the story of the Agra treasure, which began when he was stationed as fortress gatekeeper in India. Small explained that he was approached by three Arab guards, the murder of Sheikh and the arrest for conspiration. Small was sent to a penal colony on the Andamans Islands, where he managed to befriending Tonga, a native in the jail. Betrayal of Sholto, search, finding and death of Sholto. Affixed note of the sign of four. Death of Bartholomew, stealing of treasure, throwing the treasure in the Thames River. Small imprisoned. At the end of the novel, Mary got married with Dr. Watson. This is happy end of the novel. Next point is that the themes of the novel. Mary Mostyn came to Sherlock Holmes. She told about his father disappeared, and after that she received purse and the letter. The novel revolves around the Agra treasure, the treasure to direct and often tragic change. Agra treasure directly and adversely affects almost everyone. Miss Mary Marston came to Sherlock Holmes. She told about his father's disappearance, crime and punishment. All these are the themes of the novel. Next point is that plot of the novel. The Sign of Four has a complex plot involving service in India, the Indian Rebellion of 1857, a stolen treasure, and a secret pact among four convicts and to corrupt prison guards. The chapter 2nd and 3rd of the novel, The Sign of Four, describe Miss Mary's first meeting with Sherlock Holmes, the detective. She explained her problems to him and to Dr. Watson and asked for their help. Her father was mysteriously disappeared 10 years before, but she was receiving expensive pearls for 6 years. She had also received an unknown letters. Mary Marston frightened and request Holmes or help. In chapters 3rd, Mary, Holmes, and Dr. Watson try to meet the writer of the mysterious letter which she had received. It is also described how Dr. Watson attracted towards Miss Mary Marston. Synopsis of the extract. The synopsis of the extract is a meeting of Mary Marston with Holmes and Watson and her explanation of her problem. It is also about the short trip made by three to meet the writer of the mysterious letter. This is Watson's first meeting with Miss Marston and his attraction towards her. This is the end of the novel. Thank you.